Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Chanel, and this is Chanel's Corner. I swear I'm gonna be editing new videos this week, I swear. Alright guys, so I'm about to get dressed. We're actually about to head to the farm. Today is a farm day. It's looking a little gloomy outside. We have a lot to get from the farm. We need eggs, we need some veggies, yeah, so I'm about to get dressed and then we're gonna head to the farm. Literally, the only thing I'm missing is some cowboy boots. I know y'all haven't seen Bumblebee in a while, but here she is. Yeah, the last driver we had in the truck, he really didn't take care of the truck the way he should have. So we are about to take it to the shop, drop it off, have them work on it, and then potentially find a new driver to put into the truck because things got to keep rolling. Look at the chicken show.
Yeah.
We just got to the farm, by the way, as you can see. It's hot as fuck. Jeff is actually, he's about to feed the animals. See how they go crazy. Look at the turkey, he about to act up.
Look at the little chicken over there. He trying to take it off for himself.
I just want to give some to pigs. I try to feed the pigs too, guys. Anyway, so yeah, we've made it to the farm, guys. I'm gonna feed these tomatoes to the pigs. But anyways, guys, Jeff's brother was just here, and he let Daisy out, and Daisy got low. So now we gotta go find her. They love it. They chowing down. So Jeff is in the chicken coop getting eggs. We've actually run out of eggs at the house, so.
You heard what I said, baby?
Getting eggs, guys. Like I said, we ran.
Who you talking to?
We've got eggs. They're still eating. Anyways, guys, yeah, so there is an infected chicken in the coop, so I think that they're gonna have to. Look at him, he's getting so big. Hi. Relax, Papa. God dang. Relax. Get up off me, bruh. It's always you doing too much. Alright, guys. I just gave the dogs a treat and left them where they at because one of them scratched the fuck at me. They're getting big. They're kind of crazy. Rocky is the wild one. He's the one. He act like he ain't got no sense. Max, he's sweet. He's gentle.
Hey, Siri, call Jorge.
I don't know what's going on. About to go to the other property and see what they got going on there.
Look at Bird with the grass. Tell your ass to work, Jack.
Where y'all? Get over there. Like little dogs. Alrighty, guys. So I'm currently driving. As you guys saw earlier, we did go to the other farm. The guys sent me to get them tacos. They sent me into a taco truck, but it was not there. So now I'm going 15 minutes up the road to go get tacos from some other place. Jeff, his brother Victor, and Jorge, who's the guy that works on the farm. Yeah, while they're working in this heat, it's 94 degrees outside, feels about like 100. I'm going to get tacos in the truck in the AC. Just got back. That's Jeff's brother, him, and there's Jorge. And now we have to go rescue Duke and Daisy, so yeah. On the lookout for Duke and Daisy, y'all, and we in a field. Having farm dogs is like a whole thing. They don't never want to stay where they're supposed to stay. We trying to find them. Don't know where they at. They could be anywhere. Jeff got us lost. I don't think that's it, baby. Yeah, when I say it's so hot outside and the freaking AC isn't working in the farmhouse, so not really getting no coolness from in here. But I'm about to eat something, and then after I eat, I'm gonna go outside and probably look at the garden because it needs some work. I'm about to eat. This is what I cooked last night. I made some jasmine rice with a chicken stir fry, and I'm about to eat up, so I'll be back. All right, guys, we are in the garden now. A lot of work to do. Take a shower.
All the bugs.
Damn.
That's probably gonna take over.
Yeah. We got all these tomatoes and peppers and stuff, but the bugs. I mean, there's a few that are okay, but not a lot. This right here has gone crazy. This did not look like this last time we were here, guys. I'm gonna go grab the bucket. We got a melon, guys. That's what we got so far.
Come on. Those are store grade peppers right there. Look how big they are.
Yeah, a lot of these.
That's because you know what they say? If you stress the pepper plant out, the more it will produce and the hotter they'll get. So you don't gotta water pepper plants like that.
Yeah, the ones that go in that little thing. See? No bueno. No pinche bueno.
Pinche bueno.
What does pinche mean? Oh, okay. I like that. No pinche bueno.
Fucking good.
I'm just grabbing these little chili peppers now. These are spicy. They're everywhere. Lots of new stuff is about to get planted. What about over there, babe? Were there any more cucumbers and melons over there? Look at that, y'all. Big pepper. I actually really like these peppers. Look at that. Good peppers.
The cucumbers are all dead over here.
Okay. Let me put these peppers up real quick. It's so hot, y'all. Get low. I can't even go outside right now, y'all. It's so hot. It's hot in the house. So, look at Ruby. My baby is hot. Ain't you, mama? You're hot. Come here. Go. What'd you do with the chicken?
Put it on top of the,
Was it already dead? It was the
for a few days.
Farmer Jeff. Alright guys. Alright guys, I did not vlog the rest of the farm trip because it was just hot, and I was getting very angry because it was so hot. But I'm gonna show you guys really quick what all we got from the farm. We got a bunch of tomatoes, which if you don't know, tomatoes you can actually ripen in a paper baggie. We got a bunch of baby cayenne bell peppers. We got a bunch of serranos and jalapenos. It's a mix in there. These I believe are Tabasco peppers, pretty hot. Banana peppers, okra, cucumbers, and then we got a bunch of melons. These three I believe are done. This one we will just let sit on the countertop for a little while, and it will ripen on the countertop. It will take a little bit, but so, and then obviously we got a bunch of eggs. We always get a bunch of eggs. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm about to go to the gym, and then I'm gonna take me a shower. So bye.
What you doing got me thinking about a lot. I ain't used to this, but I like